In this demo, you will see the NeuroMosAIc processor's multi-core and multi-tile architecture flexibly process concurrent multi-network computer vision on the LG 8111 SoC, shown here in the pictured system on module. The chip contains a customized implementation utilizing a 4-tile system with each tile containing 8 cores. The differentiating capability of this architecture is the ability to allocate each tile or each core to different workloads based upon the objectives of the application. As seen here, the engineer is selecting the models to be run on the corresponding tiles in the system. The first neural network, the pose estimation model Posenet, processes the subject's position on tile 1 and 2, as shown in the diagram, drawing lines representing the body pose. In the second instance, the object detection model, Tiny YOLO V2, is processed simultaneously on tile 3 and 4, drawing bounding boxes around the objects in the scene and applying the label and confidence score at the top of each box. File information for each model is provided in the boxes on the left, including file size details, input and output quantization, format, and the tile and core allocation. We invite you to check out our other videos or visit us at aimfuture.ai to learn more.